Kamira vakabata microphone now. Ndo mwenyewe Bhawa. Vakamira na our legend and living legend Jace Marabini. Mwenyewe Bhawa. What do you want to say about today's performance from of course our living legend Jace Marabini and all the other performers who had already performed?
Chekutanga mangotenda kuti hatina vana vadoridori panapa. Okay, I know. I myself, I believe in artists that kind of music. Rarama. You can play the song. Yeah, 1998, which is why ichikusimudzira, because music is something that is not kumutsa moyo womunhu kana kukupa memories are good or whatever. So I think Ngoma Jace Marabini is one of the legendary vachiri kurarama vachiri music yakanaka. But one thing jatafarira havana kurasisa. That was my first time to see him performing live, and it was so amazing and so good. Then go on up on YouTube and stuff, liking the music, but that performance right out there, no.
I want to say thank you very much, Mr. Billy, for inviting us to come to Katoma. This is our first time to actually perform here. Okay. This is a nice place, a beautiful place, beautiful audience, beautiful people, amazing environment here. So we really appreciate your support for bringing us all the way from Bulawayo to come here. And I'm so happy that the audience accepted my music and the band so well. And they said, encore. That was something really moving, that moved me so much. And I want to say thank you very much to the Katoma audience. Keep on supporting the Highbury launch events. This is a wonderful place. This is a place to be every time, every weekend, every time. So thank you very much. See you again next time. Jace Marabini, one time.
All right. One more question to you. We know that you have been in this business for over plus 35 years. Yes. Now we have seen a lot of youngsters coming, and most of them they do come and they go. Most of them they're just one hit musicians. What do you want to say to all the youngsters who are trying to make it in the music industry?
The youngsters in Zimbabwe are doing very well, according to me. Here in Katoma, I've seen especially Gwen Damperi, Gwen Damperi. That one, give him 5 years, you'll be a star. That one. He has a very beautiful voice, wonderful performance, good music. So yes, I think the staying power in the music, you must every time record something new. People want to listen to something new. People don't give up, keep on doing it. If you don't do well on your album, on your song, or on your singing, keep on doing it until one day people accept you. So I'm so happy because at least this advice, I got it from Oliver Mtukuzwana. He visited him at Bagarebai. He said your music is wonderful. People will take time to listen to your music and understand the music. But your music, let me tell you something, it's pure music, it's original music. When it passed, everyone will definitely love it. So I'm so happy. And said, also it took him 32 years for him to make a breakthrough. Because there was Jonah Moyo, Bundu Boys, by then, a lot of musicians. So he was not counted, but he was among those musicians. So I want to encourage those youngsters keep on doing it. You'll be seen one day. Mr. Bill is here, is watching, is seeing the youngsters doing very well. It's going to give them the platform. This is a wonderful platform for the youngsters to shine. So I'm so happy, Mr. Bill. Thank you very much.
Just question again.
Yes.
Can you reflect your journey
yes.
up to this stage?
Yes.
Do you have any other projects you're working on?
I'm working on my cultural village where I come from in Flabuzi in Material South. Where I come from, I want to build a cultural center. So where I'm gonna live with Lakers. I'm gonna live with Lakers. So this is another project, and the other projects we've got a new album that has just come out last month. So we are promoting it. Muchoro, yeah. So it's a beautiful album. it's people love it. They're loving the music, the vibe, and everything about this album. So it's played on all radio stations in Zimbabwe. So I'm so happy with the publicity I'm getting on radio, on TVs, and everywhere. Even you guys, you are doing very good for promoting us. So thank you very much for making the effort to come here at this wonderful jazz festival. So I'm so happy. Otherwise, if it wasn't Mr. Bill, you're not going to see me. So I want to say thank you very much, and thank you too, guys.
Mwenyewe ba.
Unoenza ngesindebele.
Yes. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, Mr.
At the mid.
Okay. Sawubona Mr. Maravini.
Sakura Ntunja.
Ngibona kula majaha odwa, ibhendi lamajaha odwa, ushaya ingoma ezimnandi.
Yeah.
Uzizwa njani ulana eKadoma? It's your first time ukuperform lana endaweni.
Yes.
Uzizwa njani?
Hey, ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu isimanga esikhona ukuthi ngimangela abantu ukuthi kuno ingoma zami bazazi ngoba mangicula abantu bathi sicela liyana can have that one Snangeni Julia. I'm so surprised with my people you know my songs, so ngimangele kakhulu, so kunjabulise kakhulu, and the atmosphere ibihle kakhulu, so ngiyabonga kakhulu Mr. Billy ongusinvite the audience yeKadoma, and also this beautiful place, and other musicians also, not the only one. Beautiful music. Ndamberi is my best, I think. Of course, watching him, that one is a great musician.
All right.
If you keep on doing it, I'm telling you, in 5 years you will start.
All right.
Yeah.
Sizabona ni lana futhi eKadoma.
eKadoma ngiyafuna ukubuya futhi. Ngiyafuna ukubuya. I hope Mr. Bill is invited this time. So, but yes. So I'm so happy. So ngikhangele futhi ngize lapha because I think this will be my second home, because the welcome iyamangalisa. So ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi ngibona abantu bengithanda ngale ndlela lapha eKadoma.
All right. Asibone ama-jazz festival amaningi amatownini amanye amancane lawa. Siyabona iza la. Uzizwa njani wena umculo lo we-jazz? Uzizwa njani njengomuntu osohlele esikhathini eside 35 years?
Yes, 35 years. Ekubona ukuthi iKadoma is no longer a small city. This is a big city. A lot of things are happening here. This is the venue. Just imagine, there's Selma here, there's William Tide, there's Mbeu here, Ndamberi, so many artists. The effort that the organizers have put behind putting this festival is amazing, because it's amazing lineup. Oyasa from Blawayo, so it's amazing. So promoting, giving musicians the platform, it comes from the heart. This means Mr. Billy and his team, they have a heart to see Zimbabwean musician being lifted. You know, so we are just from the bottom of my heart.
All right. Usiphathele njani? Usiphathele ni tubeka phambili.
Ndi album entsha ethi Njolo. Likhangela lapha ku YouTube. Khona ku YouTube, khona ku Spotify, khona everywhere. Follow Jazz Maravini every time. So Jazz Maravini won't disappoint you. So asibonaneni ku YouTube, asibonaneni ku Spotify, Jazz Maravini one time.
All right.